Hello everyone and welcome again to How to Bank. Hope our video is helping you to make banking easy. In case you are visiting our channel for the first time, we at How to Bank make banking related videos so that your banking experience is easy. My name is Deepak and today we are going to see how to change limits for online transaction in Canara Bank. For this, you will need your user ID and password for net banking. So let us get started. Log into net banking using your username and password. Then on services option, go to preferences and select change user limits. Here you can change limits for different type of transactions. There is one more option of resetting to bank defined limits. Suppose for merchant payments, minimum amount is 1 rupees, maximum amount is 2 lakhs, the total limit is 2 lakhs, number of transactions allowed is 5 per day. So I'm going to update for NEFT. My minimum limit, I'm going to keep it 1 lakh. Maximum limit, that is in a day, how many transactions I can do is 4 lakhs. The total will be 5 lakhs. In a day, I want to give 5 transactions. Similarly, you can update for RTGS or transaction within Canara Bank. Scroll down and click on change. Confirm the change. This is the process of changing limit in Canara Bank using internet or using net banking. Hope our videos are helping you. Do share and subscribe to our channel. Always have safe banking. Do not share your username or ATM pin with anyone. Do not provide any banking information to anyone over the call. Remember, bank will never ask you your banking details on a phone call. Thank you for watching our video. Do subscribe our channel and have a wonderful day.